To add an additional room title, tap on the black downwards pointing triangle along the top toolbar. Then tap and drag the additional room title icon into the required position. This icon is a capital A with a green plus. Once positioned, the room title menu will open. You can manually type your room name in the top text field, or you can simply choose a room name from the alphabetized list. By tapping on the room title, you'll be presented with various options, including how to increase or decrease the text size, as well as other room-specific options.